In the previous lecture, we learned about the anchor element. In this lecture, we're going to learn about the image element. If you like to provide a complete information about your website in a fascinating and efficient way, then images can help on this. Images are a great option that you can have in your web design. To use an image tag, you have to specify two attributes, the source and the alternative text. The source specifies the URL of the image. The alt specifies or explains what the image is about. The alt attribute helps screen readers to interact with the image. To create an image tag, we do the same thing. We create a less than symbol or sign, and then add img. And this is a self-closing tag, so we gotta add the backslash and then the more than sign or symbol. Now I'm gonna add the source, which is src, and then the alt attribute. Okay, now what you're about to see next, I don't advise you to do it for production. This is just for education purpose. Okay, so just to show you how the image work. So I'm gonna come here to this image here, and I'm gonna right click on it, go to copy image address. Then I'm gonna go back to our code editor, and then in the source, between the double quotes, I'm gonna add the text. I'm gonna paste in the text or the link. Okay, and in the alt, I'm going to say just Google. Okay, now save it and refresh, and we have our image there. Okay, now I'm gonna download, or we are going to download an image, and gonna show you how to retrieve it within our folder so we can use it from there. So I'm gonna, on Google, I'm gonna look up for web development, no, web design, yeah, web design. Then click on images. And you can choose any image here, okay? But I'm going to choose I'm gonna choose this one. So I'm gonna click on it, right click, and then I'm going to save image as. And I'm gonna save it on my desktop, okay? And I'm just gonna say web design, image, and then save it. Okay, now I'm gonna come to my desktop and look up for it. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, here it is. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna drag it to my folder. Okay, the folder that we are working as a project. Okay, and then on the on brackets, I'm going to right click on it and refresh file tree. And here it is. We have our image here. It's a PNG extension or image. Now what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna highlight this code here, and I'm just going to say I'm just gonna type the name of the image there, which is web design, and then .png. Okay, and then on the alt, I'm just gonna say web design. Okay, this is wrong there. Gonna save it, and this is the way to use an image that you have within your folder. or that you have on your root folder or within your project. Now I'm gonna refresh the page here. Let me see here. Okay, the reason it didn't work was because I forgot to add the img, which stands for image, right? So now it should work. And there it is. We have our image, and this is the way to add images to our web page. Well, that is it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we're going to learn about tables.